we never stop innovating. We push the boundaries and strive to be better. We bring you tomorrow's robots today. Deebot X1 Omni, the brand new all-in-one Deebot from Ecovacs. Okay, YIKO, let's get to know my home.
Okay, I am coming. I am creating the map for your home now.
The Pioneer IV3D enhanced recognition capability, equipped with supercomputing power, achieving accurate obstacle avoidance at home.
Mapping is complete. Please check the app. I will keep learning and improving by updating obstacle avoidance data. More efficient every time.
Okay, YIKO, follow my voice.
No problem. I will start cleaning now.
The exclusive 4-stage deep cleaning system with 5,000 paw suction power. The second generation of Osmo Turbo technology. Scrub away tough coffee stains, even after 72 hours. Unleash the ultimate cleaning power. A masterpiece perfectly crafted by Jacob Jensen Design. The all-in-one Omni station can automatically refill water, wash and dry mop cloths, and empty the dust bin.
The Deebot automatically refills its water tank. Start cleaning mopping pads. Start emptying the dustbin.
Deebot X1 Omni. Finally, a truly hands-free cleaning experience.
Open the box. Use caution when pulling the heavy station out of the box. Ask someone for help if needed. Stand to the side of the box and use the front of the station and the handle behind the station to lift the station out of the box. Open the Deebot box and take out the accessories. Please read all safety instructions before using. For best results, tidy up before cleaning by removing smaller objects and be mindful of flat, straight cables. Connect the power cord to the station. Place the station against a wall, on a hard floor, not carpet or rug, with at least 0.5 meters on each side and 1.5 meters in the front of the station. Plug in the power cord. The station's panel has 3 buttons: station cleaning, when the Deebot is out of the station; start, pause the Deebot, and move the Deebot in, out of the station. Remove the protective strips of Deebot. And install the side brushes to the underside of the Deebot. Match the color of the side brush to the slot color. Press firmly, and you will hear the brush click into place. Download the Ecovacs Home app from your App Store, or open the top cover of the station and use your phone to scan the QR code. Install the app, register, log in, and go to the main app screen. Lift and remove the top cover of the Deebot. In the app, tap that on the home screen and scan the QR code on the Deebot to begin setup. Follow the app instructions to complete network setup and name your Deebot.
Ready for network setup. Connected. Please go back to the app to continue the setup.
After naming, you can select time zone or change the language of YIKO.
Okay, YIKO.
I'm here.
Return the Deebot to the station. Use quick mapping on your very first use to get a map of your home in minutes. You can even use the voice command.
Okay, YIKO.
I'm here.
Start quick mapping.
Okay, start quick mapping.
After mapping is complete, Deebot will return to the station. Say,
Okay, YIKO.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
and Deebot will start cleaning. Open the station lid and remove the clean water tank. Add water to the max level and place back into the station. Attach the mopping plates to the bottom of Deebot. When you hear
Switch to vacuum and mopping mode.
voice prompt, it means that the mopping pads plates are firmly engaged and mopping mode can be activated. Send Deebot off to clean. You can even use the voice command.
Okay, YIKO.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
The station will automatically fill the Deebot's water tank. As the Deebot cleans, it will return to the cleaning station periodically to clean the mopping pads. You can also use the app or voice commands to change settings like cleaning times, suction power, and water flow level. When the Deebot is done cleaning, it will return to the station to charge. The station will also auto-empty the dustbin, auto-wash the mopping pads, and heat the pads to dry them. If the station detects that the dust bag is full, the app will remind you to change it. Press the pop-up button under Dust Container, release the dust bag bin, flip up the dust bag clip, remove the dust bag, and replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings. Open Ecovacs Home app. Tap to open Video Manager. Enter video password, and enter the main screen. You can use 4 direction control buttons at the bottom left of the screen to control the forward and reverse movement, and left and right rotation of Deebot. Select Arrival on command. Tap the location on your home map. Tap Go, and Deebot will move to the designated area. When you select Home Patrol, Deebot will automatically go to the selected points on the map and take 4 photos of each one. The captured images can be viewed in the album. Click on Voice Call to connect with Deebot anytime, anywhere, and engage in real-time interactive chat, making communication more fun. You can also tap the photo and video recording buttons to capture images or footage, which you can then view in the album. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings. Using 3D information detection, Deebot can recognize beds, sofas, tables and chairs, etc., and reproduce the layout of your home, displaying it in attractive 3-dimensional graphics on your phone. Open the app to access the main screen. When 2D house map is complete, tap the 3D icon to open the 3D map display page, which displays the automatically recognized furniture. Tap Home Furnishing to manually add or remove furniture items, adjust the position and size, or edit the 3D map walls. Tap Save after editing your settings. Tap Furniture Area Cleaning button, select the furniture graphic on the map, then tap the Start button in the bottom left corner to start cleaning around or under the specified furniture. You can also zoom in on the 3D map to check the cleaning operation status. Of course, you can also control Deebot by activating YIKO and giving instructions. OK YIKO, go to the bedroom to clean. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings. You can wake up the machine and start issuing voice commands.
OK YIKO,
I'm here.
return to the station.
Okay.
When cleaning for the first time, you can quickly generate a map using the voice command.
OK YIKO,
I'm here.
start quick mapping.
Okay, start quick mapping.
You can also use voice commands to turn on whole room cleaning.
OK YIKO,
I'm here.
start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
Use the room type set in the app to clean specific areas.
OK YIKO,
I'm here.
vacuum the living room.
Okay.
You can also have Deebot clean near or underneath specific furniture when there are no obstacles between you. Deebot will also be directed to you by sound localization and clean according to your commands.
OK YIKO,
I'm here.
follow my voice.
Okay.
You can use voice commands to control the Deebot to clean, pause, set the suction power, water volume, audio volume, check the status of the machine and supplies, and request other useful information. You can also tap the icon on the app's home screen to view an introduction to YIKO Voice Assistant and unlock even more YIKO voice skills, whether it's just for cleaning or more personalized settings. Simply use the voice command. OK YIKO. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.